Welcome guys, Sufin here. In this video, I'll be unboxing a GorillaPod 5K kit by Joby. So this is actually a tripod created for a DSLR, you know, kind of like one of these. So it can actually sustain a lot of weight. It's a couple of pounds, so you won't have any issues with any camera that you use that can be mounted. So you can kind of see a preview of how it looks like through the cutout. But we're gonna go ahead and open it up. There's nothing really special. It tells you that you can bend each leg to your liking, and it kind of shows you examples of like things that you can actually mount it to. Like on this other side, it shows you how you can mount it to a tree. So I mean, you can pretty much do anything. So it's not actually very heavy, so it's gonna be really useful for on-the-go use. So let me go ahead and open it up. It's a little hard here. Pretty much just ripping it because the box is going to be thrown away anyway. So, okay, so right away you see a manual. So here's the manual. Kind of shows you how you can screw it in and how you can move it around. So, yeah. Let's see. So it gives you some examples of things that you can do with it. It shows you a picture of a DSLR. There's nothing on the back, so okay. So let's put that aside. Right away you see some sort of looks like this is just there for protection or something. I'm not too sure actually. I'll put it aside for now. Okay, so this is the item that we're here for. So it's actually very sturdy. Let me see if I can bend it. Okay, so it's a little hard to bend, so it's actually a good thing so that it doesn't bend on its own when it shouldn't be moving. So you can make the legs go into any direction that you want them to. Just gonna bend them random directions so you can have a look here. So yeah, so you can do anything that you want with the legs. So let me just go ahead and straighten them out for now. See how easy it is to bend them back to the original position. It's actually very hard. Alright, there we go. That's good enough for now. Okay, so let's go ahead and have a look at the actual build. So it has the screw mount on the top, and you can actually adjust it here. So you can move it around into any position that you need to, or you can just remove it. So you can do anything like that. So screw it back together. So let me go ahead and try to put it on the DSLR. And this is actually a T6i by Canon. So it's like it doesn't sit in place because you have to lock the ball in. So you just screw it in and it doesn't move at all. So it's looking nice so far. Okay, so if you need to move it to any direction, you can just use this to move it around. And let me go ahead and turn on the camera so you can see if it works. How it should. Okay. So as you can see, everything seems to be working like it should. So looks like a very sturdy GorillaPod here. So it doesn't feel much heavier, and I assume it does get heavy after carrying it for a while. But I mean, so far it looks nice. I'm gonna have to use it a little bit longer to kind of get adjusted to it, but it seems like a very good GorillaPod here. Let me go ahead and actually, it's fitting on its own, so I think there has to be like some sort of setting here. Okay, so the other knob on the side, the smaller one, you actually use it to make it spin or make it stop spinning. So if you let it go, it kind of lets you move it around, and if you lock it in, it doesn't let you move it around. So it's a nice feature, and I think it comes Very handy if you're trying to pan, make like a video clip of a pan around. So if you're moving it slowly like this, it would be very useful. But that's the only use that I can think of right now. And the bigger knob, you just use it to adjust the camera to, however you like it. Okay, so that was the unboxing for the GorillaPod. And after I get a couple of weeks or months of use, I'll give it a review. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like this video and subscribe.